Well, Bobby, he just, I got him out of his cage and he can fly now. Don't go into the fan. And be be careful. Be careful around that frying pan. It's still hot. I'm going to fry some things up. I just made some Kool-Aid. You want to try some grape Kool-Aid? Oh, he really loves his juice. Well, Kool-Aid isn't really juice, but let's see if he goes for it. And I have some other foods out. He's looking at it. There he goes. I don't think he's had grape Kool-Aid before. He's never seen purple. Just orange and beige. I didn't add any sugar. It's just all natural. But, so I'm about to dip these onions in the milk and egg batter, and then another batch in water and see what works better with my dips, my breading mixtures. One regular flour and the other one Japanese something. And he'll be on the menu for tomorrow. I just turned 60 years old a week ago, and I just thought I would treat myself to that. After 60, I deserve it. Right, Buddha? Oh, where is he going now? I want to see this. He's just exploring. Oh, shit. Don't touch the avocado. Don't touch that. No. Birds do not do well with avocado. Now he's trying to turn on my black and white TV. So, yeah, I'm going to put some feta in this salad and put the rest of it in my grilled cheese sandwich. And I got lobster pate that I'm having. I think I'm going to put that with my grilled cheese. And that's chorizo. So I'm about to fry everything up. I got a 5 spice blend here and bean sprouts and Italian mix. I like this ricotta, but it's pretty mild. So the cheeses I have arranged are Gruyere, Parmesan, and Gorgonzola and mozzarella with Fresno red pepper, avocado, and radish for the salad. And this is supposed to be really healthy for you and makes good tea. And so I take this out. It's all natural, and a little bit of burdock root, and maybe a little bit of ginger, and that makes really good tea. And you just unscrew this ball, and you take out your old stuff, and you put in the new stuff, and you let it steep. And let's see if Bobby likes his radishes and vinegar. No, he tried it once. He does not like radishes and vinegar. And I'm going to put the feta in there. And I got a few pickles left for my grilled cheese. Let's see if he goes for the banana. Geez, bananas turn bad in a hurry. I only bought that a few days ago. Oh, he's going for the vinegar. He shook his head. Show everybody out there in TV land what a monkey you are and how you like to hang upside down. You like to hang upside down, don't you? All right. Want another bath with the onion rings? You want to play with the onion rings? Come on, have your bath. Have your bath. Get those parasites away. No? All right. All right, back to the cage you go then. You've had a long day today. I've probably put in 10,000 steps at least in the kitchen. But I forgot to put my Fitbit on because it was charging. Yeah, my Fitbit was charging. So it's pretty neat. It tells you how many hours sleep you've had and your pulse rate. Doesn't tell you your blood pressure though. It tells you how many breaths per minute and your oxygen level. So, my other one, I couldn't wear because it had some chemical in it and it gave me a rash. So this one is good. And I think it's charged. So, I gotta peel and clean up my my big shrimp from Thailand, and then I'll bread those. I like seafood, you could probably tell. And tomorrow I got other things, scallops and a seafood medley. Try some octopus. I already got the ingredients, what I need for tomorrow. If I eat tomorrow. I might put it off till the next day. Right? Right? You look like something out of Alien. Whew. And you're a bug. You're a crustacean, but you belong to the bug family and you live in the ocean. But you're very tasty, I must say. All right, back to work again. He didn't touch the banana. He didn't touch the tapioca. He didn't touch the sesame seeds. He's a very picky bird, and the only apple he eats is Macintosh. He doesn't like the rest. I've seen him eat fish before. He took a few bites at this lobster pate, and the chicken. This is turkey. The leftover turkey, I don't know. This chorizo would probably be too spicy for him and too fatty. He just turned 9, 18 in human years. I don't want to lose him. I thought he'd like this dragon fruit. Oh well. All right, and then there's my dessert. So, you only live twice. I just turned 60 last week, so. In a place in the world where we have 1.5 feet of snow, but it's melting. So that's good. So let's do the experiment. I'm not a professional cook, but tonight I'm the Galloping Gourmet. So I know there's going to be leftovers.